Woo! 3 million YouTuber. Thank you guys. I'm peeling my oranges. So that's it. That's all I share to you about the situation here in Australia. Lucky. Thank you, Lord, for all your blessing and graces. We don't rent anymore. We got our own bahay now. Thank you, Lord, for that. Okay. But the rest, I'm still praying that they have the blessing from the Lord too, or they can have some houses that they have to stay on or rental, because it's really is crisis for rental houses, guys. It's all about for sale because they're expensive. So everybody go, if you're the landlord, they sell for million prices. Okay, let's eat the mandarins. They're really sweet because it's seasonal. Look. So yummy. Papa will be here soon, babe. Water is very calm here, and it's wonderful. Let's eat mandarins, guys. Yummy. Very sweet. You have some? 1 million viewers. Thank you. Oh yeah, they are camping there. Obviously, they're putting some fire on now. Collect wood from the area. Mm. 4 million viewers. We are here in the lake now. See my view? You actually can go in the bottom. Leave my belongings here. Let's go. This way, babe. Don't pull, mommy. Don't pull. Walk nicely. Thank you. Oh yeah. Just open gate there. We can walk all the way. Smell sulfur. What's out with snakes, babe? Nice to picnic here, guys. I smell dog poo. We should buy a big leash, boy. So you can run around. I'm scared that you go and then you won't come back to me. Because this is not your ground, you know. So we walk nicely, Bob. My bag is still there. Okay. We are here in the water. No authorized access. No. So, Hasday, come on. No. Go to the water, guys. Stop it. Stop being naughty. Thank you. Stop it. Thank you, my boy. Let's go. Look at the view here, lovely friends. Really good lake here.